In the realm of audio production, having reliable studio monitors is essential for accurate sound reproduction. However, not everyone has the budget for high-end equipment. Fortunately, several affordable options deliver impressive performance without breaking the bank. This guide evaluates 5 budget-friendly studio monitors.
List number 1. Presonus Eris 3.5 Studio Monitors. The Presonus Eris 3.5 monitors are renowned for their exceptional clarity and accuracy in the budget category. Featuring 3.5-inch Kevlar woofers and 1-inch silk dome tweeters, they provide a balanced frequency response suitable for various audio tasks. The rear acoustic tuning controls allow users to adjust the sound to their room's acoustics, ensuring optimal performance. Connectivity options include balanced TRS and unbalanced RCA inputs, making them versatile for different setups. The compact design is perfect for small studios or desktop arrangements. Users have praised their performance, noting that they offer a ridiculous punch for the price.
List number 2. Mackie CR 3.5 3.5-inch Creative Reference Powered Studio Monitors. Mackie CR 3.5 monitors are designed for multimedia creators seeking quality sound in a compact form. Equipped with 3.5-inch polypropylene-coated woofers and 0.75-inch ferrofluid-cooled silk dome tweeters, they deliver clear highs and mids. The front-facing volume knob and headphone output add convenience for desktop use. While they excel in clarity, some users have noted that the bass response is not as pronounced, which can be a consideration for those mixing genres with heavy low-end content. Higher HZ.
List number 3. Yamaha HS3 Powered Studio Monitors. The Yamaha HS3 monitors are part of the renowned HS series, known for their transparent and flat response. Featuring a 3-inch cone woofer and a 1-inch dome tweeter, they provide accurate sound reproduction, making them suitable for critical listening and mixing tasks. The white polypropylene cones are designed to minimize coloration. While compact, the HS3s may not deliver the deep bass found in larger monitors, but they excel in providing a clear and honest representation of audio.
List number 4. Edifier R1280T Powered Bookshelf Speakers. The Edifier R1280T speakers offer a blend of classic aesthetics and modern functionality. With 4-inch bass drivers and 13mm silk dome tweeters, they produce a warm and rich sound profile. The speakers feature dual RCA inputs, allowing connection to multiple devices simultaneously. While not marketed as studio monitors, their performance and affordability make them a popular choice for casual listening and light audio production tasks. Experience Edifier R1280T Powered Bookshelf Speakers. 2.0 Active Near-Field Studio Monitor. Speaker. Wooden enclosure. 42 watts RMS power. 2x AUX input. Convenient connection to any device that has a 3.5mm headphone output or dual RCA output. Play from 2 devices via aux at the same time. No plugging and switching needed. Remote control. Adjust volume at your fingertips. Bass and treble control located on the side of the main speaker.
List number 5. Mackie CRX Series 3.5-inch Multimedia Monitors. The Mackie CRX Series 3.5-inch monitors are designed for multimedia creators seeking quality sound in a compact form. They feature a sleek design with a front-facing volume knob and headphone output for convenience. The monitors deliver clear highs and mids, making them suitable for desktop setups. However, similar to the CR 3.5, the bass response is limited, which may not meet the needs of those working with bass-heavy content. Experience Mackie CRX Series. Professional studio quality sound, front-facing headphone jack auto-defeat speaker output,